Hi, this is my first vlog. Welcome. If you don't know me, my name's Sophia and I love the internet, but I hate it at the same time. I literally want to like go on it and just watch a person's life, but then I like watch someone spend $10 million at the grocery store and I'm like, that sucks. Oh my God! So I'm doing what everyone wants and I'm just gonna vlog my own life because I go to film school. Like, why not? Because right now, like when I watch YouTube, I'm just like, this is so fun, but they're not normal people. They're like movie stars at this point. And the point of YouTube was like home videos. So I'm gonna bring that back, starting with my curling, whatever, in my hair. Right now I'm getting ready for a date. Come with me on my date.
Verbally.
Hi everyone. This is my boyfriend, Bjorn.
Hello. Hey baby. We're on a bridge. Yeah, selfie. What's up? My name is Bjorn. Welcome back to the vlog. You can see this is me at the Queen Mary on the docks of Long Beach.
Hi, I'm back. It's like 5 in the morning. I'm going to Disney with my boyfriend, Bjorn, as you saw in the last clip. I just want you guys to know that I missed like a whole week and a half. So the last clip was like a long time ago. So yeah, candlelight was really fun. And yeah, Disney today. Look how pretty it is.
Stop. Turn the camera around and show it to the ocean.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, I thought you were about how pretty you are. Oh, you're gorgeous. We're on a bridge!
What is it? Do you see it on my phone?
It's a rock.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. We are in Disneyland now, but obviously it hasn't opened, but we're just waiting. We're doing great on time. My hair's a mess, whatever. So, Rise Resistance is closed, but we're here at Disney Railroad. We're gonna go on Rise Resistance, don't worry.
We're at Disneyland, guys.
We're at Disneyland.
We're at Disneyland. Damn, I need a shade.
Oh, say update. Right as we got off
in Star Wars land. We're in the line for Rise of Resistance.
Because right after we got on it, we went into Pirates and we're like, it's open. So we're here now.
We're in Star Wars land.
See your kid? Bad news. We're getting interrogated now. I don't know what happened. We were supposed to go on a ride, but now it's an interrogation. So something's happening.
Bullets. Then head down to the escape pod base. Thank you.
We got
More
stuck.
escape pods down
We're
in
like
Sector
stuck.
4. Verification pending for
Lights are off.
personnel.
Where's the...
We made a pit stop at Tiana's because we've never been on it. What the hell? What is this? This is in line. We're in line. I mean, you know, that's kind of cool, I guess.
Yeah, it's our fire.
Bjorn's in the front. This is not good. They replaced Splash Mountain for this.
They can play. No,
Stop rocking it. Oh my god. We just got soaked, bro. No. I'm literally soaked. What the heck is this? Now what? I'm soaked. We're soaking wet.
Look at my shirt.
The animatronics is bugging out. Okay, girl.
Look at
Dude. Look at how wet he is. Look at the difference in color. Oh my. Look at the boat. We're on our way to Indiana Jones. We're here. We're getting ready for Indiana. Indiana's not ready for us. Okay, we just got off Indiana Jones. Bjorn, out of 10, how good was that?
8.5.
8.5. He said Rise of the Resistance was 7. I don't know why he didn't like that as much, but Indiana Jones is always good, obviously. We got beignets, we got mint julep, and now we're in the Pirates line. We made it to the front of the line.
We're on Pirates of the
We're on Pirates of the Caribbean now. Look at this. Look at these fun campers. We're going. We're now getting This is gonna be so fun. This is gonna be great.
The seat's wet, so we had to sit in the front.
Look at
Disney.
it. Feels so empty here.
Liminal Disney.
Like there's no one here, but like there's so many people.
Disney backroom.
And like there's no music in this area. It's so weird. We're going to Space Mountain now because our time. We have a fast pass for it, so we are on Space Mountain. This is ridiculous. That was so fun. My hair's a mess. That was so fun.
Look at my hair.
Here we go. The photos. Look, it's Captain Hook and Peter Pan. Look, it's so empty.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady.
We're in the bag. We're in the bag.
One, two, three, one, two, three. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully.
We're stuck. Okay. It's a little, interesting. We're inside the castle. It's very interesting. People are performing. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, look who we found. It's Mandalorian. No, he's walking away. Look at him ride. Vroom, vroom. Oh my gosh, they're telling us to join the order. Kylo. Kylo. Where is he? Oh, he's right there. Oh no. Wow. Cute.
It's not a selfie.
We got a Ronto wrap. And we're here, sitting down. We're in line for Millennium Falcon ride. Super fun. Super fun. I don't know how I'm gonna make it happen. Who is this?
He's a pirate.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka.
We're pilots. I'm super excited. Look, we gotta sit and take a picture. Ooh. I've already seen all this stuff.
Just kidding.
Oh, hello.
Brand new flight crew. But it is no cause for alarm. It's perfectly safe. Everyone will be fine. But unfortunately, it takes a few minutes to reset all the complicated systems on the Falcon.
That was scary. It like crashed. He turned off. Oh.
They're just taking us out of Disneyland.
Yeah, we're going somewhere. We got escorted off. We're being transported. This is like, we're in the back rooms.
We're just in the Star Destroyer next time.
He said we get another chance to do it, even though we were like literally almost done with ours. But we're doing it again. Okay, round two.
Engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. The jump to light speed.
It happened again. But we finished the ride this time.
Without me?
We're here
Without.
at the Matterhorn. Yeah, every ride seems to break down. I don't know what's happening.
We're gonna end up in the back.
See Matterhorn Hostess to consist of the nearest exit. Once again, the Matterhorn bobsleds are experiencing some minor technical difficulties.
My leg totally cramped during that ride. You know what's crazy? Tomorrowland is so outdated. It's Yesterdayland. It's like a retro vibe now. It's not even like...
It was retro back in the day.
It was like cool back in the day, but now it's like oh, so 80s.
Next ride. Another malfunction.
We're doing Star Tours now.
R2D2, just what do you think you're doing?
Small talk program seems to be working. Honestly, I don't know how you keep indefinitely.
Thank you.
I've never done that one, so we got like a different Star Tour one. It was like about whales and stuff. It was cool. It was cool. Mom would like that. I'm just sitting down here, and then people watching right over there. Ooh, yum.
Our
Portions
Disney
are kind
slop.
of yeah. Our Disney slop. Portions are kind of tiny, but whatever. Okay, update. It was low-key not good. Hey, Woody. Woody alert. Update. We're at the Matterhorn. Raise your yeah. We're on Matterhorn again. I look like a crazy person. And we are at Optopia because we had a fast pass for it. So it's gonna be brawl form.
Oh,
Look at them go.
I can hear again.
No. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. He's torturing us on this ride. It's sponsored by Honda. It's literally sponsored by Honda. So, we're in the tiki room because as we were passing it, they were like, 1 more minute. So, kind of just like ran in here. We're here.
I can hear on my right ear again.
Here come the girls. Mesdames and messieurs.
That was the best ride. The best ride. We're going on Jungle Cruise. Jungle Cruise. Jungle Cruise. Jungle Cruise. Jungle Cruise. Jungle Cruise. We are reaching a low point. We are very tired. Jungle Cruise.
Jungle Cruise.
Oh. There's that bar thing, and I didn't see it. Ooh, look. How cool is that? Check.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yeah, because the truth is that we are never ever going to see them again, actually. Yeah. And coming up on into Africa.
So fun.
You can elf all the way towards the back. We got a few lines right here inside the den. And if you guys are like Will says, he always has a point. Come on down. But if anybody wants a boost, your friends are down in the middle. Asshole of my sweater. This past Christmas. Yep.
We're still here. Look how cute these clothing items are. Can we guess the price? $60. I mean, that's not bad, but it's a notch. Like, this is cute, this dress.
Pineapple ears.
It's so cute. We're just walking around and waiting till our fast pass opens up. Yeah. Okay, but why are these so pretty? It's time for pirates again. Ooh, look at all the people on the boat. Oh, baby. Look at that front spot. That's gonna be us. Oh my goodness gracious. We're going on pirates for the second time. Oh, it's wet still. There we go. Here we go.
That's my heart for Sophia.
Jordan put a blanket on me so that I wouldn't get wet. So sweet. We're stuck. We're just stuck here. Look how pretty it is. That's Small World. Oh my goodness gracious. It's so pretty. The last ride is Astro Blaster. Bjorn is so tired. He's over it. He's like, get me out of here. Look, there's Buzz.
will all be powerless and at the mercy of Zurg.
Oh no, his face is so outdated.
All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Zurg is using the stolen battery cells to energize.
We got stuck. We got stuck on this ride. So far, I just went up. My score and your score. What the heck? Look how nice it looks. We're leaving. So sad. But it was so fun. The castle's right there. Hey Goofy. What? We're just gonna look at shops. Why not? For a 3D printed shirt. We're gonna see how much this is. $65. Ridiculous. We're leaving the park. We're leaving the park now.
We're tired. I'm tired.
And guess what we bought? Guess what we bought? Are you ready? For nothing. So overpriced. We're back. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. It was super fun. Yeah, I'm still not good at YouTube, but I'll get better. Yeah. Thank you.
Bye guys.